This is my progress so far to the garage, and it's now like almost 8:30. This poor dog hasn't even gone to the bathroom yet. She doesn't know what to do. I don't know what else to do for her. Sadie, go ahead, go. What are you looking at? A bird flying? Oh, gee. I don't know what we're going to do, Sadie. What are we going to do? Go potty. And she's like trying so hard to get up off. Oh, puppy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? I just want her to go. Oh, that's such a long way to go. Oh boy, one shovel at a time. It's not hard. I mean, at least the shoveling, the snow is light, but there's just a lot of it. Oh, Sadie, don't go in there. I can't go chasing you and you see you get buried. Oh, see. Oh, poor puppy. Oh.